Snapchat features a special tool that allows you to turn pretty much anything you capture into a sticker that you can then use infinitely in your other snaps, either for your story or ones that you send over to friends. So here's exactly how you can create stickers and then load any additional stickers you've made in the past. The way you create a new sticker is pretty simple. All you have to do is take a photo of whatever it is you want to stickerify. Then once you do, on the right hand side, you'll see a list of options. Tap on the scissor icon, then you'll be given several tools to basically select what it is you want to turn into a sticker. So you can either use your finger to highlight the object or use the various other tools to select it. Once you are happy, you can save that sticker and then it'll be ready to use. Plus it'll be automatically pasted into the current image, which you can then move, rotate, resize, etc. So okay, that is how you create a sticker. How about if you want to then add one you made before? Well, here's exactly how you can do that. Once again, once you've taken your initial photo and you're in this menu right here, tap on this little sticker icon on the right hand side. Then once you're in this menu, you want to tap on the scissor icon and you'll be taken to a list of all the stickers you have ever made. It will store literally every single one, so you can just go back and select whichever ones you made prior and add them to your current snap. So there it is, that is exactly how you can do it. It is important to note that you can only create brand new stickers on the mobile app and you can't do it at all on the browser/desktop version of Snapchat. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.